Yeah, we about to hop in a Tezzy, man. My sister's 2005, 2000, yeah, my bad. It's disrespectful, right? 2025 Tezzy right here. We about to hop in this joint. She gonna let me drive it, man. You already know, man. All right, let's get it.
All right. Okay. Yep. So, let's see. Okay, so you're gonna. So the way it works, put your seatbelt on.
Seatbelt on for safety.
And then it'll do some twisting and turning for you. So once you put your once you put your seatbelt on. Do you want to do a little intro? It is recording.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah.
Okay, we're in a 2025 Tezzy, man. I'm about to go on a little drive, right, Fleece?
Yeah, yes, sir. We're going on a little test drive right now.
Yes, sir.
Showing them the little functions and all that.
Yeah, that's copyright.
Okay.
Copyright.
That's copyright.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, cool. So, here, I'll pause right here.
Okay. There we go. Here we go, man. It's my first time in the Tezzy, man. First time in this joint. The speed limit is 25.
But we're gonna go a little faster than that.
Oh yeah, I definitely.
Once we get this little corner.
Straight away. Just keep going straight.
Yeah, and then we're gonna once we get out here, we're gonna make a right.
Once we get out here, we're gonna make a right. Oh, it just slows down on its own, like. Really
yeah,
fast.
It does. You just pull your foot off the pedal. You don't hardly need a brake.
Turn right here.
Sorry, left. Hold on.
Good. Alright. Sure.
And then you could take a right.
Right.
And then you could kick it. Yeah.
That's quick, man. Straight down. Just go on that side.
Now you can speed down here a little bit.
Let's get it. Am I in a shot?
Yeah. Hit that gas.
Oh, 45.
Now bring that foot off the pedal. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's quick. This ain't no joke.
Ain't no joke.
This thing is real quick. 2025 Tezzy. Tezzy. Gonna turn right here. Let this guy pass. Yes, sir. I can get used to this car.
You can get used to it, everyone.
Yeah. There we go. Yes, sir. They don't got too many cops up here, though, huh?
No, not really.
I
don't think
only seen that sheriff earlier when we went out. Seen the sheriff. That's about it. Okay, Fish, I see you.
All right. Did you have an outro?
Nah, that's my. Hey, just feel me like that, yeah. Hey, what's up, man? We back again. I gotta get more footage of it, man. Footage of me and the Tezzy, man. Show off the white seats, please. Look at that.
White seats.
All white interior, man. It's a 2025 joint. It's dope. It's really dope out here. Wow, this thing picks up real quick.
Yeah, watch those corners.